Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can background play on YouTube or not. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up the web browser and then type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official YouTube website. Now, once you're inside the homepage, you can proceed with signing into your account if you wish to do so by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and using your credentials. However, you can also proceed without logging in. Now just open up any video and now you will find various options at the bottom section. Just click on the mini player option and now this will open up the video within the mini player. Now in the past, this video could be double clicked and resized in whatever way we chose. However, now you will need to subscribe to YouTube Premium if you wish to do this. So the best option for background play is to simply minimize the window, but you will not be able to watch the video and only listen to the audio. So this means that if you wish to use the previous feature on which we could freely move the background play window, then you will need to purchase a YouTube Premium plan. From the YouTube Premium plan, you also have the option to try it for free by providing your payment details. You can cancel this at any time before the period runs out, and you will not be charged for the trial period. Just click on the confirm button after choosing your preferred plan to proceed through. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to use background play on YouTube in the present, and this is probably how it's going to be in the future as well. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.